Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 31,580. It made high of 31,613 and low 31,367. It recovered well from the lows, but still it is trading in a weak zone. So quickly have a look at resistance and support. Dow Jones resistance stands at, don't mind the voice of my kid's laugh, he is laughing on something. Dow Jones resistance stands at 31,630. Many subscribers were complaining that notepad text is very small, so I have increased the text. I hope it is clear now. Dow Jones resistance is 3160, 630 I meant, and support at 31,200. Currently Dow Jones is trading in weak zones, so avoid going for buy. But if Dow Jones breaks 630 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect 31,800 and 32,000. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. It is trading 39.31. The high is 39.33. It had entered in positive zone. So we quickly have a look at resistance and support. S&P 500 support now stands at 39.02. S&P 500 resistance stands at 39.62. Currently S&P is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if S&P break 39.02 and manage to sustain above that below that level, then expect 38.80 and even 38.50. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq hourly chart. It made high of 730 and low 557 today. Currently it is trading 13,720. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Nasdaq resistance stands at 13,850. Nasdaq support stands at 13,590. Currently Nasdaq is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Nasdaq break 590 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect 13,450 and 13,200. Now let's move on to gold prices. This is gold chart. It made low of 1760 today and high 1777.50. Currently it is trading 1770.50. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Gold support stands at $1758. Gold resistance stands at $1780. Currently gold is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if gold breaks 1780 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect gold to test around 1790 and $1800. Now let's move on to crude oil. After that we will see euro and Bitcoin. This is crude oil chart. It had tried to recover from the lows which it made in Asian session. 58.70 is the low today. 59.89 is the high today. Currently it is trading 59.50. Still it is trading in weak zone. So now let's move on to resistance and support. Crude oil support stands at $58. Crude oil resistance stands at $60.70. Currently crude oil is trading in weak zone, so I will not recommend you to go for buy. But if crude oil breaks 60.70 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect crude oil to test around $62 and even $65. Now let's move on to euro. After that we will see Bitcoin. This is euro chart. It is firing since yesterday and currently trading 21.30. It made high of 21.44 and low 20.82. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Euro support stands at 2090. Euro resistance stands at 21.70. Currently euro is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. If euro break 20.90 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect euro to test around 20.50 and even 20.10. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart, yet another day and yet another lifetime high of 52,990. Currently it is trading 52,630. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Bitcoin support stands at $51,000 now. Bitcoin resistance stands at $53,200. Currently Bitcoin is trading in positive zone, so avoid going for buy. But if Bitcoin break 51,000 and manage to sustain below that level, then you may expect a mild correction up to $49,000 and $46,000. Currently it is in positive zone. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my paid buy sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. If you have any feedback or any comment, you can share with me in comment section. I will really appreciate that. I will see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye and happy weekend.